Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Google Earth transition video for Instagram Reels with a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, download and open Google Earth Pro on your computer. Search for your starting location. Zoom in to a good view. Click the Tour button at the top, then click the red Record button. Now slowly zoom in or out and move the camera smoothly to create a nice transition effect. Fly from one place to another for dramatic transitions. When finished, click Stop. To make it vertical for Reels, use screen recording software like OBS Studio. Set the canvas to 1080 AUDIX 1920-916 and record the Google Earth Tour while playing it. After recording, open the video in CapCut. Add trending music, speed ramping, and text to make it more engaging for Instagram Reels. Finally, export the video in 1080p and upload it to Instagram. That's it. This is how you can easily make Google Earth transition videos for Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.